are gathered here today to witness the coming together of two people whose hearts and spirits are already entwined as one. In fact, those of you who know Garrett and Erin the best can also attest of their love for one another.
I really do want to thank you all and welcome you all for being here and taking the journey down here to join Erin and Garrett as they begin their journey. It just means so much to Michelle and I, and we just could not be any more pleased with everybody showing up.
And so it is now that Garrett and Erin will profess before God, their family, and their friends of their desire to henceforth walk the road of life together. Do you, Garrett, knowing of this woman's love for you and returning it, realizing her strengths and her weaknesses and accepting them, do you take Erin to be your lawfully wedded wife? If so, I do.
I do.
Do you, Erin, knowing of this man's love for you and returning it, realizing his strengths and learning from them, realizing his weaknesses and accepting them, take Garrett to be your lawfully wedded husband? If so, I do.
I do.
I'm very excited and awkwardly not that nervous. Just very excited about it.
Aww.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Oh. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Are you nervous?
No, not really.
No.
As parents, we all hope that we want to instill certain qualities and values in our kids, and we want them to grow up and just be good people, be loving, caring, be kind, and hardworking, and Erin is all of that and so much more. Maybe you hope they have good manners, but even Cotillion couldn't help us with that, huh, Air Bear? I think I just hit the over, right? On the laughs, I got it. But as a girl dad, you also hope that they're confident and independent and strong. You come to realize that you just want her to marry someone who loves her for who she is and is kind and respectful. So I went from, oh, well, he's a nice guy. What's she doing with him? Oh, dear God, no. To, what a great guy, they're perfect together. And to avoid any confusion, that great guy was and is Garrett. They are perfect together. They share similar values, and they are so alike. They have fun just being together. They love being together, which is wonderful. So, Garrett, you are the person I hoped Erin would marry.
For Garrett and Erin, your presence here as family and honored guests not only heightens the beauty of this moment, but it also completes it. Garrett and Erin have asked me to publicly express to you their love and appreciation for all of the love and guidance that you've given to them. For it is not just their love for each other that has brought them to this point, but it is also your love for them, and for that, they say thank you. Garrett and Erin, you are now taking into your care and keeping the happiness of the one person you love the most. You will indeed experience marriage to be one of life's greatest commitments, one of life's greatest blessings, but also one of life's greatest challenges. The hands that you hold are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you. They are being held by yours on your wedding day as you promise to love each other for the rest of your lives. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it the most. These are the hands that even when they're wrinkled and aged will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. You are so beautiful.
I love you. I love you guys so much. You look beautiful, Airburn. This is gonna be good. Lisa, you look great. Thank you so much. Oh, good.
I, Garrett, take you, Erin,
I, Garrett, take you, Erin,
as my friend
as my friend
and my love,
and my love,
beside me
beside me
and apart from me,
and apart from me,
in laughter
in laughter
and in tears,
and in tears,
in conflict
in conflict
and in tranquility,
and in tranquility,
asking that you be no other
asking that you be no other
than yourself,
than yourself,
loving what I know of you,
loving what I know of you,
trusting what I do not know,
trusting what I do not know,
and in all the ways that life may lead us.
and in all the ways that life may lead us.
I, Erin, take you, Garrett,
I, Erin, take you, Garrett,
as my friend and my love,
as my friend and my love,
beside me
beside me
and apart from me,
and apart from me,
in laughter and in tears,
in laughter and in tears,
in conflict
in conflict
and in tranquility,
and in tranquility,
asking that you be no other
asking that you be no other
than yourself,
than yourself,
loving what I know of you,
loving what I know of you,
trusting what I do not know,
trusting what I do not know,
and in all the ways
and in all the ways
that life may lead us.
that life may lead us.
Erin, with this ring,
Erin, with this ring,
I commit to you.
I commit to you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
always be reminded,
always be reminded,
my love encircles your heart.
my love encircles your heart.
Garrett, with this ring,
Garrett, with this ring,
I commit to you.
I commit to you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
always be reminded,
always be reminded,
my love encircles your heart.
my love encircles your heart.
You know, you've been with us for a couple of years and you've seen us struggle through and emerge from the passing of Grandpa, Dick Mullen. You've seen us in our happy and fun times, whether it's a Christmas white elephant get together, whether it's a family trip or a dinner out, or maybe even a quiet tequila evening with the cousins at Steve and Lori's. And through that, you and Erin have grown together. You've grown to be a part of our family. And Michelle and I could not be happier that you are a part of our family.
I know.
You guys are starting your book, and as of today, the book pages are empty. I only hope that you look at the positive examples around you and you guys fill that book with love, laughter, adventure, and most importantly, family. I love you both.
One more time, Mr. Gary Lentz, everybody.
For as much as Garrett and Erin have consented together in holy wedlock and have witnessed the same before God and this company, and thereto have pledged their faith each to the other, and have declared the same by joining hands and the giving and receiving of rings, I pronounce by the authority given to me by the state of Tennessee and a little bit of Hoosier magic that you are husband and wife together. What God has joined together, let not man put asunder. Amen. Sir, you may kiss your bride. Together, please stand as I have the privilege to introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Garrett and Erin Guffin. Let's hear it for them.